Welcome and thank you for taking the time to learn about the United Connect Business Suite of Payment Solutions and what it can do for your business. In this overview, you'll see how the revolutionary United Connect Business Suite will help your business grow and thrive. Whether you're a startup business, a Fortune 5000 company, or beyond, the United Connect Suite has a solution for you. United Connect is comprised of several functional modules that work seamlessly together so that your business can take control over every penny. Managing your account online is now easier than ever. With Connect Reports, we give you complete control over all your transactions so you can track every penny from the initial authorization all the way until it's deposited in your bank account. No other company offers this advantage. Examine your sales in real time with our easy-to-read graphical daily sales report, including customer and invoice numbers. Other reports include transaction detail reports, batch detail reports, and bank settlement reports, just to name a few. Connect Reports eliminates the headaches of figuring out deposits and simplifies accounting. Your accountant, bookkeeper, or controller will absolutely love the ease at which they can reconcile and update all aspects of your financial systems. Securely accept customer payments anytime, anywhere. The United Connect payment tools provide your business with everything it needs to securely accept payments from your customers over the phone, from your website, through email, or even directly on your iPhone or on your BlackBerry. Payments begin with your customers. That's why the heart of our payment tools is a PCI-compliant customer database that you can use to easily manage your customers' information, including one or more credit cards on file. No more taking the risk of storing credit cards in non-compliant spreadsheets or non-compliant in-house databases. With our Connect Virtual Terminal, processing customer payments is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Look up your customer, enter the amount to charge and any optional information like invoice number, and click to process. That's all there is to it. Our system automatically emails your customer a customizable receipt, as well as prepares a receipt for your records. Sometimes you need to take a payment when you're out of the office. No problem. Take United Connect with you. With our mobile virtual terminal, you can process transactions from your iPhone or your BlackBerry. Taking payments for your products or services from your website is trivial with our Connect Secure Pay e-commerce solution with integrated shopping cart. To include Add to Cart or Pay Now buttons on your website, merely add some simple HTML code to your product page and you're done. Your customers can click to purchase one or more items from your website and complete their order and payment through our beautifully designed Secure Pay checkout application, customized to look exactly like your company's website. Repeat customers can create a login and store their credit card online for future Amazon-like one-click checkout. Save time, improve processes, and expand your business. It's a simple matter of business physics. The more automation you can incorporate into your business, the faster and larger your business can grow. For large businesses, it's not a question of whether to automate, it's how to automate. And with United Connect, the answer is simply and effectively. As one example, with Connect Invoices, you can easily implement an end-to-end automated invoice processing system with simple import and export of data files. Let's see how this works. Using industry standard Secure FTP, upload your invoice data, including optional Adobe PDF details, to our secure servers. For those customers who already have a credit card on file, our system will automatically charge their card. For all other customers, the system will automatically email the customer a payment due notification with an embedded link to our Secure Pay website, skinned to look like your company. Here, your customers can make invoice payments 24/7. The automated process is complete with preparation of detailed report files that you can use to update your in-house accounts receivables and any other in-house financial systems. Enjoy peace of mind. Have you ever heard of payment card industry or PCI compliance? If you have, then you already know how complicated, confusing, and costly it can be to become PCI compliant. You also know that failure to properly achieve PCI compliance can result in serious fines, as well as other legal liabilities, which can destroy an otherwise thriving business. PCI compliance is a set of rigorous standards which are designed to protect credit card data in all its forms. It is specified by the PCI Security Standards Council and enforced by the credit card companies. All merchants accepting credit cards must maintain PCI compliance. However, compliant handling of credit card data is extremely complicated. Using a Level 1 service provider is not enough. Let's say your new customers submit order or invoice payments along with credit card information. You process these payments through a PCI Level 1 service provider, and then store the credit card information in a spreadsheet or database for future business with this customer. Unless you painstakingly follow all the complex PCI procedures and regulations to the letter, you are not end-to-end PCI compliant. For example, did you know that the computers storing credit card data must be monitored by a live person using a surveillance camera, and the video records kept for at least 90 days? With United Connect no-effort PCI compliance, your business will be 100% end-to-end PCI compliant guaranteed. With our tools, you're able to seamlessly remove all credit card data from your location and store it securely with us. Credit cards can be stored by your customer service representatives or entered directly by your customers using our Secure Pay website skinned to look exactly like your company. Then, invoice and order payments are securely processed by sending us a simple token, which is actually just your customer number, which we will use to automatically charge the credit card on file for that customer. You have enough to worry about running your business and delivering your products and services. Let us worry about your credit card security. As you have now seen, the United Connect Suite is a set of cutting-edge and comprehensive software applications that can benefit your business in many ways. You saw how you can take control over every penny with our extremely detailed and easy-to-use Connect reports. We showed you how simple it is to accept payments from your customers anytime, anywhere, with our feature-rich payment tools, including Connect Customers, Virtual Terminal, Mobile Virtual Terminal, and our Secure Pay e-commerce solution. You also learned how your business can experience exponential growth by taking advantage of our automation capabilities, including Connect Invoices. And finally, we explained how all our unique software working together can provide peace of mind with its inherent no-effort PCI compliance. Once again, thank you for taking the time to learn about United Connect and how it can help your business.